What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about Sndl growers, ticker symbol SNDL. We're going to be talking about what is going on right now and where it is headed moving forward. We're also going to take a look at a couple of articles this week and some price predictions. So before we dive into all that information, if you guys enjoy the content of this video, make sure you hit the like button and hit the subscribe button and turn on that notification bell if you want to see all my videos as soon as I get them posted. Thank you to all of you who have turned on your notifications and keep supporting this new channel. You guys are the best. Without further ado, let's dive into the article. Now, this week, Sndl Growers came out with a press release that it closed a 22 million strategic investment into Indiva Limited, which was part of the 1 billion part of the money that the capital that it raised from its previous offerings. So if we take a look at the article, we could see that on February 23rd, 2021, Sndl and Indiva announces the closing of the 22 million strategic investment. Sndl Growers Inc., um, a Canadian licensed producer of recreational cannabis, and Indiva Limited, a leading Canadian producer of cannabis edibles, are pleased to announce the closing of the previously announced 22 million strategic investment into Indiva by Sndl. So Sndl has officially closed that deal, the 22 million strategic investment. So if you don't know about Indiva, well, and what it does, Indiva manufactures cannabis products ranging from flower and capsules all the way to the main option, which is a wide variety of edibles. So this investment into Indiva is expected to help Sndl broaden its exposure to the edibles market as well as help Sndl financially. It helps help Indiva also grow and expand. Now, this suggests to me that Sndl is poised to grow in the long term. Now, as these small catalysts keep coming out, we're going to see a lot of investors have more confidence into and will continue to buy shares of the company, and we will see the price move up again with the new Democratic Senate this year. The issue of legislation will be prioritized, and so I think we're gonna start seeing hearing conversations about marijuana federal policy changes, and so the chances of legalization is pretty going to be pretty high, and this should happen hopefully between this time and this current time and before the midterms. So this is really going to push the prices up. But remember that when the prices keep going up, a lot of these people, a lot of investors, a lot of people are going to start taking profits. So remember, guys, always invest carefully and be wise about your investments. Now, another positive news in the cannabis industry and a catalyst for the cannabis industry is the fact that a lot of states are pushing for the legislation for the legalization of cannabis. Now, if we take a look at this recent news that came out on Monday, the February the 22nd, 2021, we can see that New Jersey legalizes recreational marijuana. So if we go down here, coming here, it says New Jersey has officially become has officially become the latest state to permit recreational marijuana use. The New Jersey state legislature approved a series of bills Monday that regulates the sale of cannabis to anyone over the age of 21. Governor Phil Murphy said he signed the bills later in the day. So it's official now in New Jersey. Now, this would serve as a this will serve as a national model for a lot of states. So we're going to see a lot of states um, push for the legalization of marijuana, using this as an example. So if we take a look at the chart, a chart on Friday, we can see that sundial growers, it opened at $1.30 cents, and $1.39, and then hit a high of $1.49, and it fell, dropped to it took a lot of sell off happened that took it to $1.31, and the only reason why this sell off happened on that day, was because the whole market has taken a hit lately. If you take a look at the RSI, the RSI doesn't look like it's oversold. It's probably around the 50 range. So I believe 70 is the number that indicates that it's oversold. Anything above that, so we are looking pretty good as far as RSI is concerned. I personally don't use the RSI, but as we can see, um, it's holding pretty good, and it's been holding pretty good. It's currently sitting at $1.33, and um, the after hours, it closed at $1.36. If we take a look at the um, the daily on the 6 month chart, chart, we could tell that a good area to buy is around $1.20, which is where I added. Okay, so let's take a look at the 6 months chart. We could see that um, last week when it filed the 1 billion shelf offering, it it dropped to $1.08, around $1.08. So that's the bottom. I did buy on this dip, slightly above that, around $1.20. So if you remember, I did call this out, and I said that if a good price would be around this area. It did go up to $1.70. So if you're a short-term buyer and you bought around this area, you probably would have been making some good profit. So anyways, it's holding pretty good. I'm not saying that it's not. We're not saying that it's not going to go. It's not possible that it go below $1. It could go below $1, but I hardly think that it's going to go below $1. I'm not really worried because I'm holding for the long term. So as you can see over here, I did add some more shares to my current shares that I have. I added about 400 at $1.19, and that was on the 23rd, when it dropped, when it took that hit. So I'm currently, holding more shares, probably around the 4,000 um, shares that I still have, um, and I'm holding them for the long term. I hope this information that I provided helped. So if you guys enjoy this video, make sure you go down and hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you're new to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you can get all my new videos whenever I get them posted. Also, leave some comments down. I would like to hear about what you think, where this stock is headed. So let me know. Let me know your take on this. Again, this is not financial advice. This is just for your educational and entertainment purposes. Please do your due diligence before you invest. And I hope this helped, and see you in my next video. Thank you.